So today it's a beautiful hot sunny day, and it's the day that I'm going to fish my solar panels marina. They blew off the roof a couple of weeks ago, so I'm guessing they're just down at the end of the boat there, under the water somewhere. So here goes. The second member of the dive crew has just arrived. Alright mate, how you doing?
We're going.
Good, how are you?
Okay.
Awesome, awesome.
Hurry up, you not got them panels out yet?
Right. I'll pop my jelly beans on. I don't know what's at the bottom, do we?
Well, we do, that's why you're putting them on.
Yeah, all sorts. Oh.
Nothing like a bit of a salvage operation.
So because they were on here, when they blew, I'm guessing they're just down here. Do the old spit in the diver's mask to stop it from steaming up. Right. There it goes. It's quite cool. I couldn't see anything, and there's water coming in this mask, but we'll see. Right. Go again. This isn't going very well.
I have to get a big stick and I can just hold you under till you find them.
It's letting a lot of water in that mask.
Yeah, just let yourself adjust to the water first.
I'm gonna climb out and see if I can do something better with that mask. Alright then. It's got a bit steamy. Okay.
Operation Save the Solar, take 2. This is Sparta! Any better? I can see a bit of water in there, but...
A little bit better, I think, yeah. Well, that's not a solar.
Well, at least you found something.
Oh, I got all excited, mate. Felt just like it. I'll tell you what, as soon as you go down, it's like dark because of the silt.
Yeah.
No joy so far. Me solars. Oh, right. So I'm having to do it all by touch. There's no sight down there at all. Just having to slide my hands through the silt at the bottom.
Perfect. Well, you found something solar panel shaped.
A bit of carpet, mate. Right, okay. I am surprised. I thought, because there's 3 of them together with all that wire, I I was expecting to find them straight away. It's like a big thing to try and find, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean,
But it's because it's got boat in there.
right, okay. I'll go again. Well, I'm shocked. They can't have gone any further than around here. Oh, mate.
Have to widen your search. Maybe a bit more off the back end of the boat here then.
Yeah, look. Yeah, maybe, yeah. Okay. It's amazing how dark it gets because you've kicked all the silt up. Well, I think I might actually wait until Nick can bring his diving stuff over.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you got some proper diving gear.
He's got, yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's what it's supposed to be because I feel like I've covered exactly where they should be.
With them being flat though, once they hit the water they could have gone quite a distance. Have you tried just back here? I'd just try back end of this boat here.
Yeah. Okay.
And then if you don't find it,
Yeah. I'll just.
you look excited. Yes. We have a winner.
Oh, heavy, man.
You okay? Alright. Oh no, I ain't got it. I got.
Right, there's one.
Oh yeah.
Yay! Woohoo!
Is that the lot?
Oh, brilliant.
Great salvage operation.
Success story. That's great news. Oh, it was...
So what have we learnt?
What we've learnt is when you got solar panels on your roof, they need to be secured down because when there's heavy wind, you might lose them. That's one thing we've learnt. The second thing we've learnt is the canal water's not too bad.
We'll have to have an update on tomorrow, eh? Tomorrow morning you sat on the toilet crying.
See if I survive. Nah, that's good though. Oh, what's that on top of them though?
Mud.
No, there's these little bits, look.
Oh yeah?
What's that? Oh, that's weird, isn't it? When I first saw it, I thought, is it some sort of creature thing, this?
Fish poo?
You know what, it's got to be, hasn't it? I mean, what else could it be? And that's underneath that. I don't know.
Something along them lines, I'd say.
Hose it down, I suppose, and I may as well hose them down and clean them off while I'm still covered in the canal water, eh?
Yeah, just take a minute shower with you.
I'm going to get the hose on them on the side here. So that's the front. Yeah,
To be continued.
Looks like fish poo, eh? Oh yeah, I can have my shower as well. It's all pulling off pretty easy. If you've enjoyed this video and would like to see more crazy shenanigans like this, as well as future renovation videos, then please make sure you're subscribed, pop a like on, pop a comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye!